Fix Stix is a two-part epoxy putty stick used as a void filler and a plug at leak sites. Parts A and B of the epoxy are easily distinguished by color when looking at the stick end on. Before beginning, it is important to remember that safety glasses and protective gloves and clothing should always be worn and that the surface should be prepared in advance. The application of Fix Stix only involves mixing the two parts and pressing it into the void or leak site. However, it is important to recognize that the mixing process starts the chemical reaction, leading to solidification, and timing is important. The stick is applied in either 1-inch or 3-inch lengths. To mix the two-part putty stick, begin by tearing the stick into two and recombining the parts. Repeat this step approximately 5 times before rolling the entire mass into a rod. Continue this sequence for approximately 1 minute before pausing to inspect the color. The putty stick is well mixed when no color streaks are observed in the epoxy. If color variations are seen, continue the mixing process previously illustrated until a uniform color is observed. Complete mixing must be accomplished within a 2-minute window to achieve maximum adhesion and leak sealing performance. Form the mixed epoxy into a shape appropriate for the repair. Plugs or pads work well for straight pipe surfaces, while ropes are convenient for cracks or leaks occurring at fittings. Press an appropriate amount of material into the void or defect. Please note that Fix Stix is not intended to be used as a standalone filler or sealer. Instead, the performance of the epoxy is greatly enhanced when backed with a composite wrap or mechanical clamp.